So we created a data pipeline from Hive to Elasticsearch. Okay, and we also validated in Hive that we had 16,000 different records which were loaded into Elasticsearch index. Okay, now let's check the data in Elasticsearch head plugin. Okay, here you can see the index called VG is created, and it has about 16,000 documents in it. Okay, and it has 5 shards. All of them are green, meaning they all are active. These are primary shards. Okay, let's go to tab called any request. Here you can do a query on Elasticsearch. Okay, like we did in queries chapter, we can do that within heads plugin also. Okay, instead of using curl command on the prompt, we can do that in heads plugin as well. So let's do that. So the first, we need the URL. It's populated by default by Elasticsearch. This is the node and the port where Elasticsearch is running. Then we have the index VG and the type sales. So this is same as what we did in the search query. Okay, so here we are gonna search, and it's a get command. Okay, and we don't need to specify any filters for now. We want to search and put all the records in VG sales, and we want it pretty format. Let's run it. So as you can see, it took about 3 milliseconds, and it pulled about 16,598 records, which matches with our validation done before. Okay, and here you can see all the individual records, and for each record there is a source tag, and it has the values for each of the games data. Okay, in this you will only get up to 10 records. Okay, but you can pull more by using pagination. All right, so here we can see we are able to query our data in Elasticsearch using heads plugin. What else we can do here? We can go ahead and browse the data also. So to do it, let's click on the tab called browser, and on the left hand side you can see all various kinds of indexes. Okay, so let's go to the index we just created. It's called VG. All right, and you can see it has loaded 16,000 records, and all 5 of 5 shards were active. And here you can see the index name, the type, and the ID of each of the document, the score of each document, and these are our columns from the table we created: rank, name. You can scroll to the right and see all other columns we had created at the time of creating the Hive tables. Okay, so you can see all the data is here. Again, it will not show you all 16,000 records, but just a glance on top of the whole data set. Okay, all right, so play with this, and I'll see you in the next lesson.